Today we are doing thumb painting to make these beautiful flowers. So go grab your painting colors and brushes. We will start by making an orange flower. For that, take some orange paint on your thumb and start stamping it on the paper, like this. Now we will make a second flower. For this flower, we will use yellow paint. To make the third flower, we will use red paint. Now we will draw circles in the middle of the flowers. For these circles, we will use yellow and red color. Time to make the stems of the flowers. For this, we will use brown color. Now we will make some leaves on the stems. For leaves, use green color. Last, we will draw some grass at the bottom. To make grass, we will use green marker and start drawing grass like this.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.